Cultivation, harvest, sorting, washing. Green peas undergo swift processing methods to preserve their flavor and nutrients. How factories meet the global demand for their sweet, tender kernels. Green peas are consumed around the world and are a popular vegetable in many cuisines. The preparation of soil for green pea cultivation involves several steps, employing various types of machinery depending on the scale of farming and local practices. Once the soil is prepared, seeders or planters are used to sow green pea seeds into the seed bed. As green peas require adequate moisture for germination and growth, various irrigation methods are employed depending on factors such as soil type, climate, and water availability. When the green peas reach maturity, harvesting equipment such as combine harvesters or hand harvesting methods are utilized for large-scale farming operations. The green pea viner machine operates by first utilizing a picking reel to gather whole pea plants from the field, which are then conveyed to the threshing chamber via an infeed elevator. Within the threshing chamber, a high-speed rotating beater gently opens the pea plants, allowing the peas to separate and fall to the bottom of the machine. These peas then pass through a sieve, where any remaining plant material is separated, while the peas themselves are directed to the front of the machine for collection. Waste material, such as empty pods and stems, is diverted to the back of the machine and out to the sides for disposal. An elevator system facilitates the movement of peas into containers or collection bins. Once arrived at the factory, the container trucks dump the peas into receiving pits, which are designed to efficiently receive and store bulk quantities of harvested green peas. The peas are then conveyed through a series of elevators that help to lift the green peas to different levels or floors within the facility, allowing for smooth and efficient movement of the produce as it progresses through various stages of sorting, cleaning, packaging, and distribution. As the green peas move along a vibrating conveyor, they undergo the first cleaning process. Any dirt, small stones, or other debris are separated out and removed through the holes beneath. Meanwhile, the properly sized and cleaned green peas continue along the conveyor for further cleaning. The peas are then swiftly conveyed to the washing section using robust conveyor systems capable of handling vast volumes of produce. Before the main washing stage, the peas may undergo a preliminary rinse to remove surface dirt and debris using high-pressure water sprays. In the heart of the washing area, the peas are immersed in a series of water-filled channels or tanks where gentle flows of water, strategically positioned sprays, and controlled agitation work in tandem to dislodge impurities. Water sprays, adjustable for pressure and direction, ensure thorough coverage of the peas without causing damage. As the peas progress through the washing process, the water carrying dirt and contaminants is drained away, often recycled for subsequent cycles to minimize waste. The washed green peas move into the cooking and freezing sections of the facility. Automated equipment precisely regulates temperature, pressure, and cooking times to achieve optimal results while maintaining the peas' texture and nutritional value. Whether blanching or fully cooking the peas, these automated systems ensure consistency and efficiency in the cooking process. Once cooked to perfection, the green peas proceed to the freezing section, where they are rapidly chilled to preserve freshness and lock in flavor. Here, advanced freezing technology such as blast freezers or fluidized bed freezers rapidly lower the temperature of the peas, minimizing ice crystal formation and preserving their quality. The frozen peas are conveyed to the packaging area, where they are deposited into large bags or containers. Automatic bagging machines then precisely measure and dispense the appropriate quantity of frozen peas into each bag, ensuring consistency in portion sizes. These machines may also employ techniques such as vacuum sealing or gas flushing to maintain freshness and extend the shelf life of the peas. Advanced automatic packaging machines are utilized to package the frozen green peas into smaller portions, suitable for consumer purchase. These machines are equipped with precise portioning mechanisms that accurately dispense the desired quantity of peas into individual bags or pouches. Automated labeling systems then apply product information, barcodes, expiration dates, and other essential details to each package, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards and providing consumers with necessary information. Concurrently, the smaller packages are seamlessly conveyed to packaging stations where they are assembled into carton boxes. Automated carton forming and sealing machines efficiently construct and seal the cartons, readying them for distribution. As the packages of frozen green peas move along the conveyor belts, robotic arms swiftly and accurately wrap each package in protective film or shrink-wrap material. Automated conveyor systems efficiently transport the wrapped packages to designated areas where they are assembled and prepared for distribution. If you enjoy watching production lines and food harvesting processes, click here to watch our next video and delve deeper into the fascinating world of the smart farm.